no turathi na mbere uyu ni muvango wa kathatu wa kivia viano muthenyo wa munthi na toguro na screen yaku yandikitwo ni na deputy speaker wa county assembly ya Embu etagwa Steve Simba na no KMCA kuria Runyenje Central Ward na ni na mheshimiwa Muturi Mwombo ni ke chairman kana chia wa committee ya health na makiria mogu ni MCA wa kuma wondi etagwa Ruguru Ngando rio wondi ri kuria constituency ya Manyata barwa na andu matumite ciuria kamweria tugukumite agenda ringi by the na mheshimiwa mbere anyumite kaundu rikigie basari thoko ino cia kana thogondo ino cia basari ni mbuga cia umire varia mwakusanagiria na maward admins vene ndi mwarugamite bunge mukiuga mukiendekithia makoro makirishafu kana magicenjanua kaundu karia kambiria gutiramia maundu megie ovesani wa pesa ino cia
I think that's not true. Tiangwire wako Ruguru Ngando rigutinginya ward administrator so kona ugaga gicenjio kiriuta ivo otwa mereni uyu ketwa discussaga makenge kotwa discussaga uria wagiriru kungikora wivo wa mugaire wa basari togaga taru akurani mundu gutigakure kwina watho urugamite ati akwa ni ovani ave wengiri ta 20 tukiona ovani makura mayo ovani gorani kwina ovani mundu even wena capable ukira mundu wena ciari ya weri twenda ukure ku flexible no kure wina thiri wangiri 3 no basari wathora ugo ovewe ngiri 10 noerewa tondete tate ukure kwina flexible that need to vesana bia per the needs. In fact, it was not about the ward administrator. These are our brothers. They are not our threat in any way. Tondo, when Gaya Kuveto opportunity to serve, you should not see like you are not certified by Kiranga Yaku.
No, Mama Shimone Mwa recommended Maundo Megi process ya kuvesa na ambassador ya Mberu game ginyigia makoro makirisha.
No, what has happened because Utimu Ramas is savide.
Yes.
What happened that kwa geta mutual respect. Tuweka ni tuwe karandi tumenye akura kwe 1 or 2 wants. No gonna see a problem, but it's not entire county. I can tell you 80% the ones that are fine. But to recommend as a servant to be served, to get reserved, it's not illegal in this country. In fact, it is healthy. When you are if you are taken to Runyenje or you are taken to another area, it's not illegal. And I recommend shafuyo na mundu uria nike secretary. Yes.
Wa committee ya basari.
Yes.
Mwa ugatia.
No.
Kuvorosi kwamba kuruga makakwa ni rere watia. Yes. Mheshimiwa DS.
Tigandethia my brother. One. Basari twa recommend to in fact arogamire 3 days.
Okay.
Only the 3 days na issue ya endo watogwa gweta kwina kundu MCs magusama ta comfortable ugikora mundu aina form cia ambassador atarenda kuriricira committee and he is a ward administrator kuguthuse MCs ni maretire concerns tukira governor atiriri kuria kwina issues kumwe turegwa andu ni maretua mavaki tukiuge kuni kuri shavu ucio ward administrator ni aviru varia vengi nigethangi kurara na to interest twake na taraifia na kwi andu arameraga we ninga kuvanyinga ingi gukiraya those interests in dissolve number 2 gwa ni ku relax watho nigetha gutigatuike kwina limit ati toga taru minimum 10,000 ungikora mundu ena balance ya 8,000 ati mundu ucio tomova 8 akirie balance yake ni undu wathora uga minimum 10 kogo that's another issue twenda ku relax it only took us an afternoon 20 minutes we did it 3 days tukina ambassador sade kina thina mbere sucio ti undu ungituma mbire na kwira ndire ya ambassador ni ati port kana nyungu kuria mbia ire gutire iria tuonete ne nuthu
imeretwe no
nduramenya we are mareyongerere irigo so that is the issue.
Okay.
Ngwesira no
comment igire ithatu tucokeru tugukume agenda rini iyo ingi Evelyn Kariuki kuvithukira mtandao wa Facebook arauga tambuliria Muturi mheshimiwa Muturi barabara ya Kianjagi ataweka mara mlini
barabara ya Kianjagi barabara ya Kianjagi no sokereri ya ina maram te barabara joku and nirathondekire barabara ingiri ganitire Kianjagi acio kuma Jesu ambirwo matiano na maram that number na actually I've really makenge the most certain issue cia barabara about 80% na mundu ucio urauria barabara ya Kianjagi ni mutaro eva ukamutaro kanini ni mwenyewe even get a roll madam, it's not a big deal. I'm going to do it for them and I love them all.
Thank you. Mundu retwa bro Leonard Mugambi arauga you guys be inviting the common mwananchi to table their problems in interview. Wanasiasa are always invited and they sometimes end up saying nothing. Ni sawa kaundu gaka ni kongoretwo ngika thini wa kivia viano mashinani na kivia viano mashinani te kwa gikithiru nikiracokereria ndita indasa niguo mvote gukugwatanithia wewe kirie kura yaku mwananchi ngugwatanithie na waheshimiwa ya
tisiaga nothing by twaragia lot of sense.
Na by the way,
so these are the issues they disturbaga
MCS account ya Embu ni macokerie ngatho muno tondu kundu kuonthe kana wondire ciothe nthiete makoretwo magi support kivia viano mashinani ni makoretwo magitikira guka gucokia ciuria iria urauria
wa ukarunyenje ni na urirwe kiuria kia barabara itagwa ya kathagita ukathii umuthi sa highway
na rewa manyata ni mamburirio vorwa thoko ya manyata na ngimera thoko. In fact, I'm supposed to take the contractor thoko yo yimbwe.
Makioria stage ya runyenje ni ramithondeka. So
thank you so much. Mbogonjeru arauria ask them who wants Kerimeri Daily and whether is she a county government employee and why is she nyanyasaring farmers. Kerimeri kune runyenje central.
Nune runyenje.
Koguo nireciria kiuria kiu ni we ungikorwo mwagiriru muno gugicokia arauria no riku mwene Kerimeri Daily and kana ni muruti wira wa thirikari ya county ndisi aurio uguo niki.
Okay, ngwiciria we
investigate na ka issue
no nginya bakoro na issues na ngamwita this is a private entity enterprise ya mundu rero ndingienda kumiaririria
in fact vena mundu muritie na ngegwa kiuga kwali mimata yari ve area riao ni daily
ngwiciria uria ngeka ngasemania na representatives aremi Kerimeri. Then we sit with the proprietor wa the dairy Kerimeri Dairy then amataririe makarivwari challenges makinetikania as simple as that. Ndo mamo matiendaga gutinda makia
ibo Don Muembu arauria muturimbo na okay yo ni personal issue ndiko megweta thini wa kamera lakini kuri mheshimiwa Steve Simba kauria historia basari nataka uongee kinaga ubaga nesiria mheshimiwa no wavota kumigweta
na ninagweta kuria mbia ciuririte kithindwe gugo makenge.
Yes, Megi Dominic arauga kaidre we still need haven't forgotten about our Crise level 4 laboratory where simple tests cannot be conducted. Kaidre, we will be expecting an elaborate answer from chairman of health Honorable Muturi Sami.
Nikale tucokirie 7 million na toga things should change.
Nikale tucokirie mundu wetagwa Mbuvi wa Njeri ninakuona, mundu wetagwa Kanyoni Musa ninakuona, mundu wetagwa Karimi Fundi Faith ninakuona, mundu wetagwa Dafrin Mamake Alpha na kuni kongo guthoma kari ka mwiso tucoke tugukumeciuria ni nguthina icio mbere icio ciingi bauka vere. Kaidre ask Muturi Sami about the Gasagori street light. Is the one who is supposed to pay them. We are in total darkness.
Msiete kore fagasiti.
Gasagori.
Msiete kore kore bambia sia Gasagori. Yes. But I'm there to pray oversight.
Yes.
Na mava nengwira the chief officer wa energy.
Yes.
Amenye litimeo itirona athi amenye the way forward but MCA does not do that. Natiko kutheri across the county.
The entire county.
County tunatheria thitima
ni ciavorire.
Na turenda kuga atiriri.
In fact, yes.
Since I'm also a member of that committee. Nituwe karanthi na chairman Tadibo tumenye the way forward cia maundu ma thitima cia town.
Thank you so much. Tugukume agenda ya kwa ya muthia nigu tuthie turikiriretie nundu nako kavinda ni kathiete piu. Vena nyomba kana mucie bena proposal yokorwa ogiakwa na muya vitu kiundu uyu muri ta assembly mucie wa governor makiria no uguo na ndinauga mucie wa governor wa Mbora na uga mucie wa governor wanorio gauka next time akorwe ni kuage karaga toria rais yesikene karaga state house makiria no uguo vena complex kana office cia ma MCA na office ino na mucie uyu ni iraga ni gutumira mpesa nyingi muno angikorwa ti kwa supplementary budget ireni na yavera ni savrong ni mu recommended 72 million ni gugwaka complex iyo
thank you Makenge
bata wagwaka nyomba ino kana miaka ino
Niwe Makenge
twarikia kwa riovorwa wa mandawa lakini mumbire
oguo
thina twenyu
Makenge no wega twereithie wananchi nundu the complex etwikite niyo ya siasa na toria ngwirire thina ya Varisayo wira wa munene wa kuona migogo kuona ivutiria imethorima andu ikaraga kuona migogo iria thina wa metho mao wa mbere county ni anio ino this is the 7th year
yes
county 7th year kuma twagia county tamu ya mbere kwa na proposal ya gwaka complex ya milioni 350 iria wicini nao kiria bakithea vya no ngimivinga muno
in fact vau barwa na kiuria yakwa
yes
endeyo ninguririkana no aregire na vinya muno
correct
niki kavinda gaka mweshimiwa ukiriretie njara na kauga niretekera
nivo nenda gukwira that time tukimivinga muno niki niundu that time it was not a priority nituonaga kwa na maundu mengi muno andu wa mbere no amanegena ni manji
maria nginya umuthi maranegena nimo
ni mbukite bau
yes
nituonaga kwina kundu kwingi muno ungithie thibitari tutiena kindu ta ICU tutiambiriretie leno units tutiambiriretie molecular lab yani thibitari ungiathire ya Embu it was so down anakavaru turaria ati arwaru kamarengi va muno makiumaga Kirinyaga na Tharaka Nithi magatumira ndawa nginya ikathira magatumira nani pharmacy yetu cia kuthima andu ikathira tugeciria uria tungigura nyingi makiria before it was a shell wanyita koguo tutie na ambulances gatwatonya gitiri ria mbere gutie na ambulances gutie na barabara iria nyingi ta nyingi thurwa ni barabara imwe tu ya Embikire Maram moja peke yake thaino mbikirite ndigaritie barabara ta inya wondi ngima ikina tongana yote so tukiuga atiriri this is not a priority na twauga twambiririe na milioni 200 ati twambiririe gutumana 200 million then tusoke tukoverere turive na 10 years with the time tuonire complex ina ya 350 ya cost county almost 600 to 700 million ni simbangiro kama bangirega it is not a priority that 7 years kuma turariva muende 6 million every year no about 500,000 per month only so for the period of 7 years times 6 that is 42 million iria turivete muende a sinking fund kana mbia cia weekend na rioguo itagatuika cietu MCA mwangiretirona Kariuki in a statement na nembisino you heard that
yes
akiuga arakorire thigara iguru ria ngari anga ugwati wake muturire wake wi ugwatire ni undu wa parking evare anja kuri andu maravitukira so akireta concerned then the issue ya gutuma complex tukiuga atiriri tukira speaker why don't we start small wanatuangi korwa titu tukamitonya ni gatonywa ni yengi na governor signed twavituki the supplementary budget governor ririkana watho ndungitwika watho governor etekirite kirore no ekirire kirore agitwa device Simba county ampia vanini watu pia tunini tuoneka mugituma watu nini tuoneka mugituma nigetha musevere county 42 million bia ikathie na mwende bia itagatumika ni county agitoria atiriri kiuria gia tuvotire korwa makanjora matiatuma nyomba iria tutumagira ya assembly korwa mea matiatuma nyomba iria governor atumagira ofisi thaino umunthe tungikoparitira kuma kurungu rwa muti tungige mari tungiko so he told us anake agitwira niguo ambiririe ofisi ya Runyenje nene wa kiruma gwaturi athurwa MP today iratumirwa ni njiarwa na njiarwa riu Sisiri no atumire mushimwa Sisiri riu ni Karemba wekwe ndio Karemba twa nake first year university na no korwa Simba ni agatumira 2020 tuka na kumbere koguo agituonia mesiria magukorwa twe futuristic that is why we agreed on principle ndawa to have 130 million toga tuambiririe vanini na 72 million then mwaka ucio wengi tunini nginya twauga atiriri wanatungiamba kuthiria furosi ya mbere igiri MCs yaria maikuria aria ma offices ya ikuria KU mauke mathamire icio furo igiri ni icio milioni 3 turata ikina vingika
mwanyita tumigia kugia kurega undu uyu ta mwire ya mbere ni tondu kwina maundu mengi muno mataimeke
yes twakaga musingi
kuringana nawe kavindari gaka maundu mare kana priorities iria yevo nene kuri mwana intine nyambe gusovwa niguo okay gwitikira ati riu
as per the supplementary budget Thinere ya nene ya mbere ya ndawa na kwira we provided 130 million. Thinere ya ivone atembia imaratathire no liquid cash gotire. Wanambino cia complex gotire. Advantage ya complex ni ati no amove contractor wira atumia karivwa wariria mbia ikoneka. No thina ya ndawa ni ati ino gukugura watura wakorwo ndwe na mbia cia ndawa riu ni tukova na turaya makovu cia 18 million. Suma twira ati riria mbai muri vethire ria mbiku ati nguru no contractor ya twina no atumere we ni undu wena kanyamu we tuma wariria mbia ikoneka nikeka ati nike. That is the difference. Number 2, va complex ni nathiria ruando marathi makira kwa turatuma milioni ya thiri ati ya thiri ite vai ucio no thani gutina milioni ta icio tutiratuma nyomba ya ite tu no athoma wega 72 million ni sim budget iri
no nginya office no mweshimwa muturi ikoro giako no nginya office no ikoro giako no nginya mucio wa governor ikoro giako watukimenyaga ndararaganja watukimenyaga
aya kambuke vau tiga mbuke vau tiga nyambe ni mucokerie vau office no twina circular nirago ni undu nini nirachiaga budget supplementary budget
yes.
Na ni muira nisi because yeso so a member we have a circular at by 2019 yes. Tuvati ukoro to provide it governor na nyomba a official residential house ti anatenga governor mutheri na deputy governor na speaker and wasio mativa tarungithie rate daru no rate cia Nairobi governor vati kurivambia ciga na house allowance per month 300,000 per month. Thai no turivaga governor house allowance agioka kirorerua kuria mutonduri andu mativati guka gukuona gwaku mucii ati tarua ati tuthica kuona uru gwake mucii no governor vati kuona in an official residence deputy governor na speaker koguo controller wa budget atwira gutimbia ciengiaga atusainira ituike released provide indo icio na tutoga ni tukuonania commitment tura propose in the next year's budget not this year no supplementary we nayo ni ya maveni then complex eno complex urona ya 72 million governor kiumia kithiru no uratuvoire 4 million 30 kugwitigitwe 42 million nigetha ambe athondeke maundu mengi number 2 ni nakwira ovoro
avo ya sigana
30 million
Sietigara sigana
42
mbugire budget ni ya 72 na thanira ku
ruta 30
that plus 42 ni 72 wona nira ugite
kanirauga
koguo ndiravitia
nirauga ya budget ya riri ya governance residence
yes pesa ni leta minus that icio rauga
yes very good then
yes
nwagwa watho uria twenaguo ati tutikavitukiruo budget yengi ndigaca inugu ni controller wa budget provide official residence ni undu mundu ndavati kuma ciakago ndavati kuma ciara ndavati kuma kiritiri ndavati kuma Mwea kana Runyenje athiete kuona governor Mutunduri is a private home avati kuonwa in an official residence as per the law na watho no icio vitukagua ni ariku no nyita vau vengi no ambori atiriri kana challenges iria ciaekuo ni turanyithirie supplementary budget provided 58 million account funding ya Kenigen nigetha ndu ambere South magia mai mwanyita so at least maundu maria matugiaga uria mundu mwembu gatagate ga 2013 na 2014 njira iria ciembekira maram na riu ni iriku tutiena njira ya rami riu twena kibugu nduri mbiruri nirekirwa kavotire nirekirwa Runyenje ikurami ndarasisi ikuo my friend
nimbugatirire makenge
uchangie ni gututhie turikirire kaundu gaka ni mbisi mwashimwa vathange twengine kia wa chairman
no complex
ka hizi ni menda kuthie no
complex nini asapota etumwe nundu wa one factor riria andu maukite gucaria bunge amo matimenyaga na kura tukomborete kasturi niko especially ole yako na ofisi cietu cie ngorova ria gatano you can imagine how the person ambatete kuri eguru it is a very painful thing na ria kairi because we also growing as a country tutingetikira vile cio tuturage varia twari nwega ukinyukie kinyukio rimwe tondu ofisi ile ni kura nitethia itethi nginya jiaro na jiaro irigauka to me this is not politics na nwambugire ugu my brother auga ovindi na vindi agutuma complex ino anakwe undu atagweta kunya singi tofotete kwa chief
yes
we have been able to achieve it is here oncology. Icio nĩ itire cia cancer about 10 in Embu Level 5 Hospital. So no, we have been able, we move together. Tutingivanga Apadea Ward. Kwina turagura nginya riri macini nene muno ya plant ya kuthondeka oxygen. Niguo andu matigaturage oxygen Embu. You know,
yes.
These are good things which has come with our administration. So kene ngiuga Makenge as we talk kwe vitina na kwe siasa.
Yes.
Na nundu wa my brother ukora makero wako kwa Runyenje siasa. Okay, so andu marauga ndeto cia complex. Ndeto cia complex is not about Runyenje, it's not about Runimanya, it's not about Simba, it's about the county.
Thank you so much. Siuri ino ciatigara ni menda
nengwenda gukwira kaundu
Makenge.
Na ndagikemo ni getha werewe.
Yes.
Aka itu igiri ni getha twerewe. Andu wale mara politicize ta complex yo muno ni mbunge wa Runyenje. MP Eric Karemba. Nikiwe na siasa icio muno cia kuga Simba ni maratuma. Today maratuma ofisi ya 5.8 billion. Ofisi cia ngorova vakuve 26. No menyete uguo we. 5.8 billion. No ise 5.8 billion ni kuga ate? Icio ni kuga ni mbia cia CDF cia miaka iri. 200 million to okegaira 290 constituencies, that is 5.8 billion. Ruriria waoka kuroria ati assembly na nwisi assembly ndianage ofisi na turekarire miaka 5 tugioparetaga kuma ofisi cia mikomboro twanjie gutuma kavora endio roria wone mwe muratuma ya 5.8 billion na tukumurara ganja na ofisi ikoretwo ikuo. So what are you telling Kenyans? What are you Urauga sugia so ignorant?
Yes.
5.8 billion. Iyo ni budget ya county ya Embu ya mwaka mwe na nuvu. Mwaka mwe na nuvu 5.8 billion. Nyomba ya ngorova 26. Kuria guru ni gukorwa the tallest. No rindi ethiete muno.
Na tukombe karagacha.
Ethiete muno. Number 2
yes,
Makenge nigetha ririo kametava. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. Thaino ni maverwa mortgage ya 20 million. Ya kugura nyomba Nairobi
iria na wovesa gwa
anani iria MCA mbesa gwa na nigitumi ndetagia house allowance ni undu na verwe mortgage ya kuthie kugura kanyomba nimbikare ndingitia qualified we kuvewa house allowance ni undu thirikari ni amba karuni na 3% kakure kwa gwikara njoke mbetagie house allowance yengi. So we were given 20 million cia kugura nyomba on top ucoke weti house allowance ya 250,000 per month no rekora umisa mwananchi. Thie Kenyatta hospital arwaru marara ganja. In fact ungenda gutweka frustrated no kauria wananchi na ningwenda wathie mashinani uri wa mundu anathie Kenyatta thine area onere kuria na we monu. A lot of problems. It's a level 6.
Maundu mama mweshimwa
Simba level 6 andu marara matinda aku nyene muthieu. So Makenge ni wega riri tukiroria na tuyoria atiriri niki counties itaravota ku satisfy needs ciao. Level 5 na kwira taru Embu level 5 irarotha arwaru a Tharaka-Nithi, arwaru Nyameru, arwaru a Kirinyaga. So we were saying that Embu level 5 be a level 6. Yoso ni thirikari nene tuthie ciara kana tuthie Runyenje kana tuthie Kiritiri twase ingi tumikurie to be a level 5 nigetha tutethia andu. But riu undu uri uramakia ni atiru ugundoronwa kiria kironwa ni MCAs.
Yes.
Rumondo tarune kurairwe ngurund ni uragwa fake gold. Ruma tirona migogo na corruption. Matirona migogo eria imethori mao.
Icio ya National Assembly. Na ndikwenda gucokerio ciuri icio ni member. Nenda gucaria speaker Justin Muturi
no kama uri atiriri.
Bana gitwiraga ni regwire muthenyo wengi ero no renda no ena mesia magucaria gitiki.
No kama uri atiriri. Mavandithirie ni chaevu makiruta makikinya 500 niki mataukite public participation.
Mundu wetagwa Bansenjero ciuri no ndagika icio itigarite nenda gucokerua ciuri cie ile ciuritwo kuvitukira mtandao na karuge muno mweshimiwa Bansenjero arauga you should stress on state of health facilities vaune to komire Sere Junior SJ ask them why they slashed bursary allocation from minimum of 5,000 to minimum of 2,000 and maximum of 10,000 to maximum of 5,000. Mweshimiwa Muturi.
That's a lie. Osio ugete guo. What is misled? Kiuria kiu.
Yes.
Turaugire gutina actually ketu na remove ni cross ya kuga minimum na maximum. You can give even 20, you can give even 40 depending with the need. You can even give 2, even you can give 1. Ukigora mondo balance yake ni 1000. Don't give over 5000.
Yes.
You know actually that one my brother ni kwa venetwe overwa mamwire ati basari la vesa no panid. Tondo numwekara nthi murorie muone nginya ni trade nginya fees balance on NBC ana you know that is how we can.
Thank you so much. Vena mundu itagwa Msomson na kuona mundu itagwa Diki Musiri. Kindly next time I need to hear what happened concerning Embu Stadium nengweka uguo Diki Musiri. Vena mundu itagwa Jeremia Mutuanga na kuona vena mundu itagwa mtu wa Mungu. Nina kuona mtu wa Mungu ninaona mundu itagwa Beatrice J mbota kuthoma cionthe nundu wakavinda na nundu aitumi itiganite tondu ino ni siasa na siasa mundu enda kuigua kiria kwenda niguo mheshimiwa Muturia mbiraga
yes,
na kwaria kiria akwenda
andu bakwigua.
Armstrong Gitonga MB asking this DS and Central Councillor nirewa lakini akorogu niguo nerewa you are wrong ni asking this Deputy Speaker and Central MCA kindu kiu how many counties have released bursaries this financial year so that he can proceed and tell us since 2013 this financial year is when they have realized higher education is under national government. DN Makenge kazi kwako ndina vota kuelewa kiuria kitondo tekwa mheshimiwa Simba aregete ati uvesani mena mandate anao ya kuvesana basari kanisiete basari nigucie sekene muno kwa bena itumiria avesana kiria gitumite basari
gutie county tuye released including our neighbors Kirinyaga Githaraka
mundu retwa Matukim and remind Simba that we know it all about bursaries. In light of Embu in learning institution need bursaries. Him and his colleagues elected MCAs bringing politics here. We are going to call for a mega comrades demonstration that will be inevitable. Signed by Martin Jue, Secretary General Kemu, Embu County Comrades Fighter. Okay.
Nagua mareta maandamano nwako tukamereithia. Kuriambia ire.
Series ya mwiso. Dome series ya mwiso tondo niraonaga kirundiete kuvorerwa microphone. Fernando Murientes, tell them to ignore the negative criticism and continue with the good work, especially in health, infrastructure and agriculture.
Na kwera Makenge tunywaga Simba na kamo turigaga Kireno County ne omoka. We know the role we play to make sure this county starts.
For the first time ninaona
nonge no anginyo kyare gya muno wikirwe mathiga.
Muvetwe ninaona for the first time muvetwe Muoyo. Kamuthia remind Muturi Sami Muombo that we youth from his ward are still watching his steps.
Very good.
Very good. In fact, you the nimagoro watch steps yakwa turute wera bamwe na ni ameri atrere Makenge. Mo yuthi mo gitaru nira turina andu a boda.
Yes.
Yuthi nira mava basari. Tarulde no basari kwa kwa na mara private mara ingirigire Makenge. Ara mara votire kuvewa ni andu 1850. Na wa mwizo avetwe ngiri 3 jameni. Na sienge othe jameni guti mundu wa day school. Ora private basari ruguru gandori atatwika rocketen. That's the minding about the youth. Yesterday I was in Kirigi tiangwere Makenge. Egoro ne Kirigi. Egoro ne Kirigi kuria ACK.
Yes.
Na ma promesi was all the class 8 na form 4s. Jombetiko State Oxford. Using the Kenga primary. You know I want to empower the youth. Natigana vasena sionthe wa mwana wa 8 na form 4 Jombetiko State Oxford. I also told the school to encourage young people.
Na wathie ngathori cia
ngathe cia father
kuria Kairuri
na kuna tigana supporter father
na wavesa na ngiri kana rimwe kila mtu atiga uria MC aravesa na ngiri kana rimwe ate kana niko mheshimiwa arenda giti kana niko mheshimiwa arenda giti kia ubunge 2020
no kuvesa na ngoro na ria kairi kuvesa na ngiri kana rimwe niko sacrifice musara wakwa ngiauga nundu father uyu mavoya na mvoera ruguthiete nake na ni kwa vaya thara kongwagira miaka yake 15 gukora ai fatiri na nwese ni am also married my wife she is also a sister or father so nina father we are brothers so I have all the reason to support.
Thank you so much mheshimiwa siasa no ciambiririe tene muno cia mwaka wa 2022 kuria runyenje wa warugama vandu ukigwika urauko thandurite the incumbent mheshimiwa Karemba
ndimwambiririo siasa cia 2020 Makenge.
Oh ndwi mwambiririo
we mwegu vandu ngetia giti Ruto semanitie na
Wamenya andu a Runyenje marathikiriria.
we mwegu ndugamite vandu ngiuga mukandua MP 2022.
Lakini no wigwikite ukithio ndire nginya ita ciaku ire thini wa Runyenje constituency.
Niki.
Gwika tu
Deputy Speaker. Anategu namba 2.
No ndugendaga mbe.
Ni murata.
Ndugendaga Manyata.
Nindie saga. Na twai kuria twari Manyata town. Twai kuo nindie saga. Tiba ndo ndathie saga county. Na isiara you know that. Na isi akago muthenya wingi twai na mbui gwita kwa kamutu no nindie saga but
Otero Runyenje ruoka.
Runyenje rutheri.
Koguo andu matige uko mistake ni giti kia MP urenda mako mistake na either giti kia county ngima. Ime kia governor kia senate kana na kia
Makenge gagwe one nina vati go support my colleague MCs na riria manthura gitikia deputy speaker ni mandirire ati mundu wange ya kaunda ni mambitaga ndi ni mu support igoro nirai kundu gwita kwa Kasabari na Karurumu netitwe no ni MC wa Bondi na mu support mwishimwa mukavino nereka kumbika na guku kya ngongi mubu kogo de mambitaga ni ma support and as a good brother
koguo tigiti urenda
nira mistake kwa deputy president nie ni wira wakwa ngiururukia andu mambe merewe Simba ma interact na Simba mamenye Simba isiragia atia Simba stands for what capability ya Simba ni iriku 2022 ya Kenya ngi kamera ni renda giti fulani wanao ene ni magakorwo makiona
deputy president yarathiururuka bururi guothe tondu ni deputy president wa bururi guothe wa Kenya
kiona ni kende deputy speaker wa Embu na Runyenje ni party ya
tondu mbona kuga atiriri ni cia Manuel na thie ciara
oya makiaba tibuka no ka
Runyenje na dikitari ni saga oigwa
ni dikitari utangithiwe ciama
ni rachi ya budget taruni rachi ya Njokoma igoro ni ronire na bitukira dikitari na ni ronire tumau
over ambitions ya 2020
ambition for now Makenge na no ngithikiriria wega mundu uri uramvwera giti wana ni munjumbe ke mwene thini kambe ni kiara thikwira ndu Simba ni arenda gite yakwa ni ndirenda nini Mungu ni arenda gite yake what I'm doing I am just selling a product that was Simba. Let people know who is this Simba, what does Simba stand for. Ni vange to rutatu vile varia vengi nigetha wone makari commendi because that's sia kwiringiriria ni yangu andu ni sia girire. If you want to lead well, let the people understand you na mamenya atiriri Simba nwavwirwo giti ya Senate, Simba nwavwirwo governor, Simba nwatutethia munjumbe MP. So let people first know you ni mamenya urakaraga ne venya kandu urakaraga wairwa wariria atumia wariate o interact gate na youth na ngwire Makenge kuria kwa central at least na ngomithie bau wira uria ni naguo munene nerire andu agwa kwa by 2020 nirenda kuthiria wira wa gwikira mara cionthe for now nirakuraga miti ngikiraga mara na neira including jereo na uriritwe kiuria ngikanyagiriria now mabo nirenda igikinya by September next this year ngorwe na thige njira icio ndigarite njira tainya wondi nyima njira yothe kina twika cio ndina malam ndigarite njira ya mudwari nayo ne kiri carpeting njira ya etagwa ya gakitu gisise njira ya gisagi cia kiga na njira etagwa ya gisise etagwa ya kathera na thige njira icio inya cionthe gukena twika central road ya koguti bandu ngikua even niraugaru nginya turia tuthiete mashinani pio twakugira andu athatu ana atano nathiria wira ucio guothe then nireka empowerment ya tumia na youth nirakurwa ni na festivals irathie na mbere na youth nigetha ma showcase their talent nathi
makigisaga kana no go showcase tu
no they showcase talent then to at application level to mavire ward level from the ward level
wena kindu kiracindanirwa
kwina itheo yes because to tonyete through churches nigetha youth are the best in some of these dances na kwina we recommend them to the talent academy mundu angikorwa nende kurecord rwimbo rwake nwatuma recommend the no talent academy twathiria bau ni tura empower ikundi cia ino cia withike ni tutethagia muno ni turamagurira mageme 10 so that they to reduce garama ya mwananchi wira uria munito turaruta twathiria bau ni tugithondeka stage ya Runyenje ni kiuria na uriru ungiririkana mashinani twikire capros feeding program ya ciana na kwiria ni kuthie na mbere na ni tukwambiriria screens ni tukuvesa na ma screen manene kuria cukuru ciakwa na ni tukuthiria gwikira tiles TV na ni tugwikira tiles ndazirite so in general ikithira gikinyagia 2020 next year Makenge Runyenje Central Ward will be another ward. Nayo niyo ningekenda kumiuga maita.
Yes.
Either by 20 ni governor kana times 6 ni MP kana senator. Whichever people makona ni fit. But for now ni kurutira wananchi wera na atongoria ria tuthuri twe nao.
Thank you mheshimiwa Muturi kule waku.
Ne buga kule wako Gandori. Undu wa mbere nienda kumasokeria ndazo. Kumare mandurire tumefanya mengi. Makenge kumana dhurua na ukapa mnywa wa buri nenda wikati. Ikura ni ndarasa nienda kuthondeka. Na imwe ya shule ni kuu. Ni muliki darasa ya area jagi, ni muliki darasa ya Kampala, ni muliki darasa ya Kwangosi, ni muliki darasa ya Kigumo. Nira tuma darasa yengi ya kuluwita wa ria Kamuriati. Ni mvotete kuthondeka njira makiria ya 40 kumana dhurua wodi ya kwa challenges cia barabara seriously. Makenge ni mvotete thoko ya manyata kumesereria bia anytime nengo vira contractor ambiririe waka njire thoko. Makenge ni mvotete kugura magema 13 na iti ciamo nenda kuva ikundi cia kwirikana cia mayouth niguo mvotete. Makenge ni mvotete gwosa youth fulani aya boda aya nienda kumaturino maveo lessons. Makenge ni mvotete nginya I'm also trying to organize uria tungivota to make sure all the children, especially class 8 now for 4 minor geometrical set. That program was already started a bit to some schools.
Yes.
Makenge ni mvotete to make sure that the generation this year would be passable. And Makenge, I can assure you,
yes,
the rule in Angjamiti, Makiria Yangriga na nienda kuvandu mavande because they are kuvanda miti, you know, we are empowering them. Makenge
ni maundu mengi na maria mo gukorwo ngimucaria ringi niguo tukorwo tukiarangiriria ndeto imegie bitagwa DN Makenge bau nivo twakinya muthio wa kivia viano muthenyu wa muthi na ningatho muno nundu wa gweterera kivia ndigiki ungienda gukiona ringi the YouTube channel yakwa undu na Facebook na Twitter account cionthe cietagwa DN Makenge. Kwina andu wengi muno marayuria kivia viano macinani kiuririte kukiria kiragukumaga wa wandi kuthii kienda kumenya ure maundu marekika kundu kuu tigitiru na tikithiru no ngucokereria ringi kavinda gatari barasa no katungunira kuvoya wetereri na kavinda kanini tu tukinakorwo tukigukuma ringi na kivia viano kiu macinani dukorwe na kavinda karo nginya tugasemani kiumikire kingi giukite guku turari na twikagira kivindi giki gwitagwa Palm Dew Highlands Hotel PI kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni bandu venda gwa gacai kega wonaga waheshimi wako makinyunyaga magikenaga makengete gukenga tena yongi tembea. Thank you so much mheshimiwa. Asanteni sana Asante. Na kazi ifanywe, kazi ifanywe.
Kazi tufanya.
Thank you.